And while you sleep, AI passive income. Want to make money while you sleep in 2025? AI tools make it possible. Build passive income streams effortlessly. No coding, no inventory, and no full-time hustle. Join me as I reveal 5 powerful AI tools that can earn you money automatically. First up, Koala Writer. Generate SEO-optimized blog posts easily. Monetize via Google AdSense, affiliate links, or niche blogs. It's income while you relax. Next, let's talk about Leonardo.AI or Midjourney for creating stunning digital art. Upload your art to print-on-demand sites like Redbubble or Etsy and earn from every sale. Third on our list is Pictory or Steve.AI for creating faceless YouTube videos. Transform scripts into videos and monetize with AdSense or sponsorships, scaling up daily. Fourth, we have Gumroad and ChatGPT for creating digital products effortlessly. Create once, sell indefinitely, and watch your earnings grow over time. Last but not least, use Zapia for automated funnels to gather leads seamlessly. Connect to email tools and affiliate platforms for a hands-free funnel that runs 24/7. These AI tools allow you to build once and earn forever without the constant hustle. In 2025, AI is not just a tool, it's your digital business partner. Set up these systems, and you can earn money while doing nothing. Don't forget to subscribe to ThinkSync for weekly automation insights to boost your income. Comment below which tool you'll try first and start your journey into passive income.